As the number of COVID-19 recoveries rises, hospitals are calling on survivors to donate blood plasma. The Philippine General Hospital earlier said blood of people who have recovered from the disease is rich in antibodies that could fight the infection. Senator Sonny Angara, who is already cleared of the virus, donated his blood to a patient in Quezon City. We now go above and beyond the headlines with the senator himself, Senator Sonny Angara. Good evening, sir. Thank you very much for taking our call.
Good evening, Pia, to all the viewers. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, Senator Sani, let's begin with this. So we said already that you donated your plasma. Two things, no? How did it make you feel to be in a hospital again? And how does it make you feel to help someone in need?
It was very gratifying because it was the hospital where I spent more than a week at doon ako gumaling, Pia. So sa akin parang talagang it's the least I could do to pay it back. Nung tinawagan ako ng mga doktor, when the doctors called me and they said there was a patient in need and he was a health worker, sabi ko, wow, this is perfect, you know. We really need to help these guys.
And may balita ba kayo, Senator Sani, kung kamusta naman tong pasyente na to, this health worker?
Well, I got a text mga 2 days ago. Sabi he's doing better now. So hopefully tuloy-tuloy yun, no?
Okay, that's great. How did this whole experience make you feel? The symptoms, the hospitalization, staying in that hospital, being by yourself, and then like for example, your wife Tutsi talked about how some of your neighbors were not very kind.
Well, we put that behind us already, no? We're trying to see what we can learn from the experience because we want to apply the lessons going forward, especially me as a policymaker. We're trying to help our country, the government find solutions. So sa akin, yung healthcare workers natin, I think first and foremost, they are the lifesavers literally, no? So we have to kind of protect them in a better way, I think. Secondly is, I think the government, and I'm part of that government, we have to be better in organizing the efforts. Like here in the donation of plasma, dapat government-led yan because the information is with government agencies. We shouldn't cite any technicalities like privacy which prevent us because we can try to secure their consent naman and protect their privacy at the same time. So dapat gobyerno ang namumuno dyan dahil yung datos nasa gobyerno eh.
Okay, Senator Sani, if there was one good piece of advice you could give people listening to you right now about COVID, the entire experience, what would that be?
Well, I think it's the old doctor's advice that prevention is better than cure, no? I don't recommend spending a week in the hospital
Right.
just so you can get the antibodies. Mabuti nang iwasan na yon because for everyone to just follow the simple advice to stay at home. Alam ko medyo nangangati na yung ibang kababayan natin and yung iba really have to do because of need, no? Kailangan lumabas. I was listening to our friend Mayor Junjun and sabi niya may hindi talaga sumusunod sa quarantine. But dapat nandun yung realization and of course media, politicians, influencers, importante sabihin sa tao na napakahalaga talaga. It's very important to stay home for the good of the community. And I think God is telling us, kung hindi kayo magtulungan yan, patay kayo lahat.
Well, Senator Sani, it is a big relief. It's very, very good to see you looking very good and looking very well. Thank you very much for being with us.